Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I prep my hair for a color service because, ooh, look at those roots. Fred has really grown out. Let's go ahead and get into it. For applying any type of bonding treatment on my hair, I like to shampoo my hair because I want to loosen and get rid of any product that still may be on my hair, because I feel like the bonding treatment isn't going to penetrate my strands if there is a product working as a barrier. So I'm going in with the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Intensive Treatment. What I really love about this treatment is its thick consistency. If you are a curly girl or a coily girl like me and you like products that just are thick and creamy and they feel so good going on your hair, I think you'll really enjoy using this as a bonding treatment. If you haven't tried out Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate regimen, this first step is the intensive pre-shampoo treatment, which provides strength repair in one use. With Redken's highest level of citric acid and bonding care complex, this rinse out treatment provides 14 times smoother hair and 63% less breakage. The concentrated intensive treatment formula reinforces weakened bonds and prepares hair for the full benefits of the acidic bonding concentrate shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, I really take my time making sure that I am focusing on the ends, which is the weakest part of my hair, especially because they are colored. And I also just like to make sure each strand is receiving this intensive treatment because I want my hair to be in the best shape it can be in before I add bleach to it and could potentially ruin it. And after letting this intensive treatment sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, I did follow up with the shampoo and conditioner from this line. They also contain citric acid and part of the bonding care complex. I didn't really show this part because you guys have seen me shampoo and condition my hair lots of times. But what I really do like about these products is they feel so rich and creamy, and my hair feels incredibly soft and moisturized and strengthened after using them. If you haven't tried them out yet, I highly recommend trying this line out. Next up, I'm going in with none other than Olaplex number 9. If you haven't seen my most recent video, you guys heard all about how I feel about the Olaplex system as a whole, but this is one of the products that I absolutely will keep in my stash, at least for now. So what I love about this product is it's super lightweight, a little goes a long way, and it really helps with detangling my coily hair. I really love layering products that are added heat protection, so that is why I like to go in. I use it on damp hair, as you can see. And next I am going to go in with the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Leave-In Conditioning Styler. Although this product does not contain any type of heat protection, I love using this as a blowout cream because it does contain protein. If you can't tell, I really focused on not only providing moisture to my hair during this routine, but I also want to make sure my hair is strengthened and ready for the color process. Now let's get into this blow dry process. I always start by using the tension method and giving my hair a little stretch before I use any type of attachment or brush. What I feel like this does is this lessens the amount of breakage that I used to see when blow drying my hair because my coils are easily tangled, and this way they are stretched before using anything to rip through them. Once I've added that little bit of stretch, I do now try to detangle my hair with the paddle brush. Once I feel good with that, I then kind of use the chase method to blow dry my hair straight. I really like using a paddle brush instead of like the comb attachment, just because I feel like it gets my coarser hair a lot straighter and I get more of a silkier blowout. Just a side note, this is really great to use before straightening your hair for like straight hair or silk press, whatever you want to call it. And of course, I just continue with this process throughout the rest of my head. I want to wrap this video up by discussing with you all why I take these steps a few days prior to my colored hair appointment. First and foremost, color deposits better on healthier hair. When your hair is weak and broken and has these bonds missing, there is nothing for the color to really adhere to. So that's why after a few washes, people complain about their color fading or it's not as vibrant, and that's because before you colored your hair really wasn't the healthiest and you just put damage on top of damage. Secondly, I have to reiterate that my stylist does not require that I come to my salon visit with my hair washed and blow dried. This is just a personal preference. I have found that this makes my appointment a lot shorter and it's just easier on her. And also, I am so comfortable with managing my hair at home that like I take pride in showing up to the salon ready for my colored appointment, and she's like, yes, you take such great care of your hair that you can come in and get your hair colored at any point in time and I know we'll be fine. I have colored my hair 3 times in the last 1.5 years, and I've just found that doing this routine has helped with the maintenance of my coils. Please believe me, you can follow these same steps even if you color your hair at home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.